Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Santa Fe guys and you need to remove or replace valve lifters guys. Stay with us, we'll explain how to get to them, how to remove them, how to replace them guys. It will involve quite a bit of work, but we will explain guys the basics and we'll share what you need to do to actually get to those valve lifters, because you know, valve lifters can be noisy, and especially if they're not adjusted correctly, they can create quite a bit of noise. So all that will be covered in this video today guys. You don't need to remove your engine to do that, we simply have it out because we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars. And with the engine being out, we can clearly show you where every little bolt detail is guys located and teach you how to fix your car for free. So let's start on it now. So this should work on Hyundai Santa Fe generation 2013 all the way to year 2016 guys, with a 2.4 GDI engine. Now let me introduce you to the channel quick. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix practically anything guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This engine will be completely taken apart, transmission will show you how to fix almost anything on it. Another thing, if you need to buy any parts or tools guys, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our supplies from. So this right here, this is the engine. And before we start, let me tell you guys, if you have a Hyundai with a 2.4 GDI engine or other cars, check our main channel Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So let's start on it now. So now guys, what you need to do to remove the valve lifters. Valve lifters are on the cylinder head, right on top of the valves. So now we have two you can see, you have 16 valves, 2, 4, 6, 8 intake valves, 8 exhaust valves. Now if you look on the valve lifters guys, when you remove them you have numbers on the inside. You might need to wipe them really good, clean them. But for instance, this one, each one of them has different thickness. This one is 3.345. Then you have another one that's a different thickness guys, like this one. Right here, this one we wiped it so you can see it's 3. This one is 3.360. So those are definitely guys different thickness. And even though you can see it was supposed to be adjusted correctly out of the factory, you can see that some of the valve lifters guys actually contacted more than others. So that means that they were not perfect guys. And in order to replace the lifters, you will need to guys remove the camshafts. So how do you remove the camshafts? We have the complete video on the channel, how to remove and replace camshaft on Hyundai Santa Fe. Check it out, it will teach you how to do that. Once you remove the camshafts, you get to the valve lifters. Then we'll have a special video that will explain how to adjust the valve flash guys, because valve flash is the difference between it's the space between the valve the valve and the valve lifter guys, because if you do it wrong, your valve will be open, you will lose compression, you can backfire, you can damage things. If you do it wrong, you may have too much play that can result into actually having a rattle, valve lifter noise as well guys. So video will be coming on the channel that will explain that, but you can see some of those are not adjusted correctly. For instance, you can see this one was contacting more, this one not, this one contacting, this one not. So definitely guys, we'll need to readjust the valve flash on this car. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure out how to get to the valve lifters. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.